what we expect is an output from the transnational cooperation. So the cooperation with France and with Sweden, and of course the support from Spain about what happened in Europe, in different regions. I think that's important for us, to share experiences, to develop together things. It's not necessary that everyone starts from zero. I'm sure there's knowledge also in other regions in Europe. And the aim of projects like this is to bring this experience to other regions, take out the best of it. You cannot always take the whole project, but you can choose parts of it, like puzzle stones. And take these puzzle stones, bring it to your city, to your region, and put together a new puzzle with a new picture. And if it's working, then you have a nice view on the region from this new puzzle.